wanted to talk a little bit about a new up and coming crypto DeFi platform. It's Titano, or project Titano.finance, and this is an auto staking and an auto compounding protocol. The good thing about it is the APY is fixed, so it will not fluctuate, it will not change, go up, it won't go up or down. It has automatic staking and compounding, so it automatically does it for you. And you get rewards every 30 minutes or 48 times a day. So that will discourage people from leaving, because in 30 minutes you might get another reward. So it's not, a lot of times I guess people, these other platforms, they have it every 8 hours. And so after they get their reward, they go and dump. But if you're going to have another reward in 30 minutes, you might want to hold, so you're not so inclined to dump. So that's one thing about this. And also you can come here, of course, and you should come here and read about it and see the white paper. But it's an interesting, a lot of people are saying a lot of good things about it. Of course, if you come here and if you want to get involved, you could hit buy Titano, and it's going to take you to Pancake Swap. You'll add the token here, hit import, and then over here you'll have to have your connect your wallet, your MetaMask, and your BNB will show up. In order to buy the Titano, you're going to have to put, I had to put 15% slippage in order to buy it, and they're saying you have to put, I haven't sold anything, so you have to put 18% to sell it. If you don't, I tried doing 13% and it was rejecting it, so you might have to keep going higher and higher until it goes through. The reason why they have these higher slippage is if a whale or just people start selling off, they want to have these fees go back to Titano so it doesn't tank. So that's what I'm hearing, that's the understanding of all that. If you wanted to know why would you have to change the slippage and pay such a high slippage, that is to protect the product and the protocol and the liquidity, so the price and everything just doesn't tank. So that's my understanding on that from everyone reviewing it and reading it and looking at all the documentation and stuff. So once you're here, you click Open DApp and it will take you to the dashboard. And then here, once you've bought it at Pancake Swap, you don't actually have to do anything like doing any staking stuff. It shows up in your wallet, and it'll just show up. It'll say your wallet balance. As soon as you connect your wallet, it'll show up here, and then here you can do your calculating, whatever you have, 7 days, well, you'll make 1 month, in 6 months, it'll calculate how much you're going to be getting. So that's pretty much it. You can also follow their social media. They have social media and they have a community. So this is a new and upcoming thing, and nobody knows if it's going to last, but it's kind of interesting, and I just wanted to tell you about it so you can go find out more about it. And if you want to invest, maybe it's a good investment for you, something new to look at. And that was it. That's all I have for you today. And if you like this content, please like, comment, and subscribe. And have a good day. Bye-bye.